I am sure a lot of you must have faced difficulties in getting jobs. These are the times when a lot of people have lost jobs and want to start all over again. Also, we keep on applying to different portals, but we do not get any response. Isn't that sad? As we are seeing a huge shift in the way we used to work. More and more people are opting for freelance jobs. Do you also want to get a job and work from home? Do you want to work for some skills along with your job? Or do you want a lifestyle where you can travel and work from anywhere? We are coming up with a solution for all those who are looking to find freelance opportunities. We also tend to get confused while applying that which job we should apply for, as there are so many options. How if someone can just read our minds and suggest us the jobs? With our job portal jobtricks.com, you getting started recommendations of the most suited jobs as per your experience and the nearby place or the preferred locations. How do we do it? We use artificial intelligence in connecting the job seekers to job providers. It is for anyone and everyone who's looking to find a freelance work in tech as well as non tech roles. There is a lot more to it. You can build your portfolio on our web portal, which employers can look at while hiring you. We know the hard work you put in, so we have client verification process that your job is secure with us. And the best part is, once you submit the project, client will be giving you the review, which will be an added advantage for the next job. We will also help you to brush up your skills by providing you the relevant courses. How can the job providers also get benefited from our portal? Job providers have to go through multiple CVs usually, but here we will be scrutinizing the applications and make your work easier. We will be sharing the scrutinized applications with employers. It will reduce your hassle by sharing the applications of the right candidates, right fit for the right job. We at Job Tricks provide you all the tricks needed for the job. Our vision is to connect every job seeker of India to the right employer by the use of artificial intelligence. We are on our mission to be a part of making of unemployment free India by making the youth self-develop with the help of freelancing work and provide allied jobs in the desired locations. So guys, what are you waiting for? Sign in now and give a new wing to your career. For more information, go to our website jobtricks.com. You can also find us and contact us via email at info@jobtricks.com. You can call us at 866-840-3974. So guys, sign up now and get your desired job.